We have a large document we need to print, and we have learned how to view the document before printing by using the Print Review option or the shortcut Ctrl+P. When we open the Print Preview option, we can see that this document isn't going to be readable at all, so we need to make other changes inside this document. We can click the back icon to go back to the Excel document. We will now hide some columns. When we hide the columns won't be printed, so I can hide, for example, postal code, product ID, and hide the discount. And when hiding, I can select columns that are not one to another by using the Control on my keyboard and then right-click on a column name to hide those columns. We can now see by using the shortcut Ctrl+P how the document is going to look. We can see that we have 3 pages, and only on the first page we can see the table headings. We can change that inside Excel. When we go to the Page Layout tab, we can make some adjustments for page setup or printing inside Excel, and we have the option of Print Titles to print rows or columns on every page. When we select the Print Titles option, we have rows to repeat at the top of columns to repeat at left. If we have table headings in rows, we can use the first option, and if we have table headings in the column, we can use the second option. I will select rows to repeat at the top, and then select the first column. Now every page will have the first row on it. When we click the Print Preview option, we will see that every page, we can use the slider to go through pages or use this button, every page has this heading row on top. When we are on a third page, when we've printed this document, we don't know that we are on a third page, so we will see how to add headers and footers inside Excel. I will use the back button to go back to my document. On the Insert tab, we can define headers and footers by choosing the text option and then by clicking the header and footer option. When clicking the header and footer option, Excel will automatically show us another view of our document. This is the view we have inside Excel. We have header and footer, and they're made of 3 elements. In every element, we can add some of those things we see here on the header and footer element section. So we can add a file name, we will see a short code added to the field, and when we click away from the field, we will see the actual name of the document. If we want to go to the footer, we can click on Go to Footer option, and Excel will automatically move us to the footer. And in footer, we can add the page number. For example, we can add a page number, then a backslash, and then add a number of pages. Now Excel will show for the first page that we are on the first page out of 5, and for every other page, we can see that the number of pages is changing. So if we click Ctrl+P, we can see that we added the header and footer inside our document.